Meow Meow presents
The construction site. One morning, Kitty woke up because of some loud noise. The noise was coming over the woods not far away from Kitty's house. Kitty wanted to know who was making such a noise early in the morning. He went outside, got into his car, fastened his belt, started the engine, and went.
Baby tractor, do-do-do-do-do, baby tractor, do-do-do-do-do, baby tractor, do-do-do-do-do, I'm the baby.
The closer Kitty got to the woods, the louder and louder the noise became. When the woods ended, Kitty saw a treaded tractor with a shovel in front of him driving across the field and raising ground. He had already made a big heap. That heap was as big as a mountain, and the tractor was small. Kitty decided to come closer to find out what he was doing and help him. Hi, I'm Kitty. I live nearby, past that forest. I heard the noise, and I came to see what's going on. What are you doing here? The yellow tractor told Kitty that his name is Bulldozer and that his task is to prepare a flat construction site. A house will be built here, Bulldozer said. I need to shovel unnecessary land and raise the sand. Cool! Let me help you. Bulldozer had a laugh. Thanks, but how are you gonna do it? Your car doesn't have a tread or a shovel. Just small wheels. You won't get a single foot. I can do it. Look! Bulldozer drove off the pile of sand and gave Kitty a chance to show his power. The car ran up into the sand with its front bumper and stopped. Kitty kept pressing the gas pedal, but it didn't do much good. The back wheels were helplessly spinning, but the car stood still. And the pile of sand wasn't raised at all. Kitty got out of the car, came up to Bulldozer and asked, "What to do? I want to help you so badly, but my car isn't suitable for this work." I've got it! I need to go to Max's magic garage. He'll upgrade my car. I'll be back soon. Kitty got into his red car, fastened his seatbelt, backed off, and left. Here's the magic garage. As usual, Kitty honked twice, beep beep. The gates opened right away, and the car drove in. Max, hi! Hey, Kitty. What happened this time? I'm gonna tell you. You won't believe it. And Kitty told him everything that had happened today. How he woke up early in the morning because of some noise over the woods. How he went to find out what was going on there. How he met a yellow tractor, decided to help him raise the construction site, but couldn't even move a small heap of sand. My car has small wheels and no shovel. What do I do? Max listened to Kitty and said, "Don't worry, pussycat. We're gonna upgrade your car and you'll be able to work like a real bulldozer." Hooray! Let's do it quick! We download special software. First, we need to lift the car up. We have a special elevator in the garage just for this. That's it! Now we remove the small wheels. They're not suitable for construction work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done! Now we put on treads instead of wheels, like those on a bulldozer. You'll be able to easily drive the construction site with treads. Okay. This is it. We weld here and here and on this side. Done! Now we're gonna change the engine. We open the hood, hook the old engine, take it out, and put in a new high-powered engine instead of it. Done! Are we done? Can I go? No, something important still has to be done. Every bulldozer should have a big shovel in the front. How would you raise sand at the site without it? With your bumper? You shouldn't do that. We choose the right picture in our software, tap on it, done! The shovel's installed. You can go. What do you think, Kitty? Do you like it? Of course I like it, Kitty said. Thanks, Max, and left. Bulldozer, check out how Max upgraded my car! Now I have the same treads as you and a shovel! And I can help you! Let's go to work! Kitty happily came up to the first pile, lowered his shovel, and easily shoveled it to the side. Together with Bulldozer, they quickly raised the construction site and then began to chat like old friends. Kitty told Bulldozer about his adventure in the swamp, how one day he raced with Hippo, how he helped Piggy drive onto an ice mountain, and other stories. And Bulldozer told Kitty that he dreamed of taking part in a race.